Welcome to the second of our demonstrations of the Web Mashup and Metadata Scripting Language, or WMSL. In our last demonstration, we created a WMSL web page that contained the mapping relations for our use case. In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate XSLT from these mapping relations using WMSL mediation. First, we will click here to initialize the system. Then we will click here to generate the XSLT. Here you can see the XSLT that has been generated. You will note that this is not just a straightforward XSLT transformation. WMSL requires extensions to XSLT so that we can invoke web services as well. But let's go back to the mapping relations and examine how they generate the XSLT. The basic idea is that the mapping relations specify the operation on XML instances when undergoing transformation. For instance, here the equivalent class mapping relation states that the value of task unit in MAF will be copied over to task unit in CAF in the XSLT. Similarly, the value of last update time in MAF will be copied over to last update time in CAF in the XSLT. The same as mapping substitutes values. For instance, here it is stated that MAF A10A will be substituted by CAF A10A in the XSLT. In this next section, we can see where we actually invoke workflows. The has-match mapping relation states a correspondence between the MAF coordinate system and the CAF coordinate system. To alleviate the representational mismatches, we use the has-context mapping relation to specify that both the CAF coordinate system and the MAF coordinate system share context in the geotrans schema. In our example, this MAF-CAF position is a web service description language file that actually results in the invocation of the geotrans web service. So whenever we perform the transformation, we invoke a parallel workflow. In summary, what we have seen here is that the mapping relations that we articulated in the WMSL web page specify the XSLT to be generated for automated transformation. Thank you for joining me on this quick overview.